हेलो, नमस्कार। मैं बिट्टू जायसवाल स्वागत करता हूँ आप सभी का आपके चैनल कैटलिस्ट एजुकेशनल कैंपस में। आज हम लोग देखेंगे चैप्टर 7 एनसीईआरटी का क्वेश्चन आंसर इंग्लिश मीडियम में। तो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज एक्सप्लेन एंटीबायोटिक रेसिस्टेंस ऑब्जर्व्ड इन बैक्टीरिया इन द कंटेक्स्ट ऑफ डार्विनियन सिलेक्शन थ्योरी। तो इसका आंसर है नो ऑर्गेनिज्म इज completely destroyed. Similarly, excessive use of herbicide and pesticide result in selection of only resident varieties in a short period of time. The same holds true of microbes against which we use antibiotics and other drugs. Resistant organisms or cells are emerging very soon in a time period of months and years, if not century. This is an example of evolution by anthropogenic action. Also, it tells us the evolution is not a direct process in the sense of determinism. It is a dynamic process which is based on a chance events of nature, chance events and chance mutation in organism. The next question is find out above new fossils and differences in evolution from newspaper and popular science articles. Answer is there are many evidence that life evolved on the earth. The first is the presence of the hard parts of life as a fossil inside rocks. Rocks are made up of sediments and a cross section of the earth crust indicate that one layer of sediment is a witness to long history of the earth. Different life forms have been found in the sediments of rocks of different ages which probably died during the formation of that particular sediment. Some of them resemble modern organisms. They present extinct organisms, example dinosaurs. The above studies show that life forms have changed from the time to time and some form of remained restricted to particular geological period, and that is life forms appeared in different periods. All these are called paleontological evidences. Some fossils bones some fossils bones resembling those of humans have been found in Ethiopia and Tanzania. These fossils show human-like characteristics that lead the belief that 3 to 4 million years ago, human-like primates roamed East Africa. These people were probably not more than 4 feet tall, but they stood and walked upright. The next question is try to give a clear definition of a species. Right answer, according to David, mutation is the reason for the origin of new species. He called it saltation, a big step of massive mutation. The next question is find out the various factors of human evolution. Hint, brain size and function, skeletal structure, food preference, etc. Right answer, around 15 million years ago, primates called Dryopithecus and Ramapithecus existed. These people had hairy bodies and walked like gorillas and chimpanzees. Ramapithecus was more human-like while Dryopithecus was more ape-like. Some fossil bones have been found in Ethiopia and Tanzania. These fossils show human-like characteristics which lead to the belief that 3 to 4 million years ago, human-like primates roamed in East Africa. These people were probably not more than 4 feet tall, but they walked erect. About 2 million years ago, Australopithecus probably lived in the grassland of East Africa. Evidence suggests that they initially hunted with stone weapons, but initially ate fruit. Some of bones discovered were very distinctive. This creature was known as first human-like creature and was called Homo habilis. Its brain capacity was between 650 to 800 cc. They probably did not eat meat. Fossil discovered in Java in 1991 revealed the next stage. This stage This stage was Homo erectus, which occurred 1.5 million a year ago. Homo erectus had a large brain of about 900 cc. Homo erectus probably ate meat. Neanderthals with brains of 1400 cc lived in Eastern and Central Asian countries about 1 lakh to 14,000 years ago. They used skin to protect their bodies and buried their dead. Homo sapiens means humans evolved in Africa and gradually crossed a continent and spread to different continent. After which they evolved into the different species. Modern humans emerged during the ice age between 25,000 to 10,000 years ago. Humans created Humans created prehistoric cave paintings about 18,000 years ago. Agriculture began about 10,000 years ago and human settlement began to form. Whatever else happened is part of human history or growth and the progress of civilization. The next question is find out from the internet or popular science articles whether any non-human being had self-consciousness. Answer is yes. Accordingly to many biologists, many non-human beings had self-consciousness.